Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be looking on how to remove this paint from this glass bottle and reuse it for our daily life. So for this, today I am going to use nail polish remover. What I'll do is, I'll take a nail polish remover like this and I'll place it over here for a good 5 minutes. So friends, now we have completed 5 minutes of wait time keeping this nail polish remover wipe on this Caventure's paint that we have. Now we'll shift the wipe to the bottom part, and for the upper part what we'll do is we will take a knife, a butter knife or a regular knife, and slowly and gently remove the paint from the bottle. So let us first try with the butter knife whether we are able to remove this or no. So gently, slowly and gently scrub it. Sorry friends, I wasn't able to fully capture how the process went, but I wasn't able to scrub much. Just take a knife and slowly and gently scrub the painting from the bottle. So what we will do is take this and gently, very gently I'm not able to show you guys properly, but this is what I am doing. Placing the bottle over here. And I am gently removing this. See? As you can see, I am able to remove this. So let me remove this and get back to you. This is the amount of paint I was able to remove in 5 to 7 minutes. So let's see what else is possible here and how fast we can remove the remaining part, Happy Holi part over here in the bottle. So as you can see, this is the amount I was able to remove in 5 minutes. And meanwhile I kept the nail polish remover wipe above over here. So I'll try to scrub that again with the knife and see if I am able to remove it. This is the amount of paint that I was able to remove in say 10-15 minutes of scrubbing using the nail polish wipe. So for the second round, to remove this, what I'll do is try the vinegar technique. So for that we'll require a dish. This is slightly deep in the middle, so I'll fill this with vinegar and then I will dip this part in the vinegar for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm filling the plate with vinegar and keeping the printed part dipped in vinegar, and I'll allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes. Meanwhile, you can keep on rotating this every minute or 30 seconds so that the print is covered. Okay. Hello friends, so I have soaked this bottle in vinegar for over 15 minutes, and now the next step we will do is scrub the remains of the paint with the help of a knife. Please be gentle while scrubbing. as you guys can see, it is quite easy to scrub this vinegar dipped bottle and to remove this paint. So let me scrub this off camera and get back to you. Hello guys, so the right side is the part that I was able to remove after scrubbing and dipping the bottle in vinegar for almost 15 minutes, and the scrubbing took hardly 5 minutes because it was very easy to scrub off that part. And now I have turned this, and this is the part where I used nail polish remover wipes. So basically almost same. And while I was scrubbing this part which I had dipped in vinegar, while I was scrubbing that, I dipped this in vinegar, and now I'll again try to scrub it and see if I'm able to remove more of it. So this is the part where I had used the nail polish remover wipes. As you can see this symbol, I was able to have it cleared so much in one time. So I did not try to scrub it after dipping the bottle in vinegar because I was getting tired and it was not removing. And this is the vinegar part. So as you can see, this is the vinegar part, and this is the nail polish remover wipes part. And after that I washed it using a scrub and a dishwashing soap, and scrubbed it properly and washed the bottle. And now what I'll do is I'll again dip the remaining parts in vinegar. So what I found is using nail polish remover wipes was easy, and it gave me good results by scrubbing. So as you can see, only tiny part is remaining, but for vinegar a lot of it is remaining in this vinegar part over here. So since I have the vinegar with me, I'll again dip this bottle in vinegar for say around 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side, and scrub it off. And then I'll show you after washing how much I was able to remove the paint from the bottle. So friends, this is the final product after scrubbing. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my social media accounts. Click the bell icon to be notified about the next videos that we upload. Now I am going to use this bottle for water manifestation technique and to manifest my desires with the help of water. If you would like to know the technique, please stay tuned to my YouTube channel. Thank you.